Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best EOS R6 is probably one of the most versatile mirrorless cameras on the market, offering a compelling blend of speed, performance, and features. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate enthusiast, the R6 promises to elevate your photography and videography to new heights. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes the EOS R6 a standout choice, exploring its key capabilities and helping you decide if it's the right camera for you. Number 5. Canon EOS R5 RF24-105mm f4L Lens Kit. This is the Canon EOS R5, a full-frame hybrid camera. It's designed to capture stunning photos and videos, making it perfect for both professionals and enthusiasts. Featuring a new 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality. You'll be amazed by the detail and clarity it captures. Powered by the Digic-X image processor, it offers an ISO range of 100 to 51,200, expandable to 102,400. This allows the camera to perform well in various lighting conditions. It can shoot up to 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and up to 20 frames per second with the electronic shutter. This helps you capture fast-moving subjects with ease. The dual-pixel CMOS AF covers approximately 100% of the area with 1,053 AF areas. It also features subject tracking of people and animals using deep learning technology, ensuring sharp focus. It can record videos in 8K UHD 4320p resolution. This allows you to create high-quality videos with incredible detail. It has dual memory card slots for flexible storage options. This provides you with more space for your photos and videos. What we like. This camera boasts a high-resolution 45MP sensor, perfect for capturing stunning detail. It also offers impressive 8K video capabilities, ideal for professional quality filmmaking. If you're looking for exceptional image quality and advanced video features, this is the camera for you. What people say. Fast and accurate autofocus. Excellent image quality. Great in low light. Number 4. Canon EOS R4K UHD mirrorless camera. This camera boasts a full-frame CMOS sensor and Digic-8 image processor. They work together to ensure you get crisp photos and high-resolution videos. This allows for optimum performance and image processing. Featuring dual-pixel CMOS AF, it has 5,655 manually selectable AF points. It delivers sharp focus in up to 0.05 seconds. This makes it easy to capture action shots with ease. The EOS R is designed to work seamlessly with RF lenses. It also maintains compatibility with EF and EFS lenses through optional mount adapters. This gives you flexibility with your lens choices. With speeds up to 12 frames per second, it can capture dynamic movements. Whether it's athletes or animals, this camera won't miss a moment. The EOS R includes an electronic viewfinder with 3.69 million dots. It also has a vari-angle touchscreen LCD and dot matrix LCD panel. These features will take your photographs to the next level. The camera features a flexible priority mode. This allows shutter speed and ISO sensitivity to be set automatically. You have the freedom to change aperture, shutter speed, or ISO sensitivity without changing modes. It features a selectable silent mode. This is perfect for shooting in environments where silence is necessary. You can capture moments without disturbing the piece. What we like. This camera features a full-frame sensor and dual-pixel CMOS AF for sharp focus. The silent electronic shutter is perfect for discreet shooting. If you like capturing moments without disturbing the piece, this camera is a great choice. What people say. The autofocus is incredibly fast and accurate. The in-body image stabilization is very effective. The electronic viewfinder is excellent. Number 3. KNF Concept LP E6NH battery and charger for Canon. Tired of running out of battery during shoots? This 3-pack of batteries provides longer shooting time. It offers about 25% more power than standard batteries, perfect for extended photography and 4K video recording. The included charger can charge 3 batteries simultaneously. The LCD screen clearly displays the charging status of each battery, so you always know where you stand. The charger has both micro USB and Type-C input ports. You can power it from various sources like wall chargers, car adapters, or laptops. A Type-C cable is included for your convenience. This battery and charger set is compatible with a wide range of Canon EOS cameras. It works with models from the R series to the 5D and 7D series. Please note it's not compatible with Canon R5 Mark II. This product is CEFCC RoHS 3C certified. It has built-in protections against overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuits, high temperatures, and overcharging, ensuring the safety of your equipment. What we like. This kit provides 3 batteries for extended shooting sessions. The triple-slot charger allows for fast and efficient charging. If you need to keep your camera powered up for long shoots, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. Works great as a replacement for the Canon battery at a fraction of the price. I have not any longevity issues with these batteries and I shot sports photography, 3000, over 3 hours or so pictures every weekend. I can do this on one of these batteries just like a new Canon battery on my R6 II, using the EVF the entire time. They will also fit and charge off the OEM Canon charger. Fit perfectly, no issues with power delivery and comparable in performance to genuine Canon items as far as shots per battery. Charger is great and has a clear screen. Number 2. KNF Concept LP E6NH3 Slot Charger. This is the KNF Concept LP E6NH3 Slot Charger. It's designed to quickly and efficiently charge your batteries. It's a great solution for photographers on the go. This charger features a triple-channel design, allowing it to charge 3 batteries at once. It has both micro USB and Type-C input interfaces. You can charge multiple batteries simultaneously. The charger is compatible with Canon EOS R5, R6, R7, 5D, 6D, and 7D Mark II cameras. It works with LC-E6, LP-E6, LP-E6N, and LP-E6NH batteries. It's a versatile charging solution. The built-in LCD screen clearly displays the charging status of each battery. You can easily monitor the power level of each battery. It provides a clear and convenient way to track the charging progress. You can charge the batteries using a laptop, PC, car charger, wall charger, or power bank. It offers flexibility in how you charge your batteries. This makes it convenient for various situations. The charger has 6 built-in protections for safety. It prevents overcharging, short circuits, high temperatures, overcurrent, overvoltage, and electronic shock. This ensures the safety of your batteries and equipment. What we like. This charger efficiently charges 3 batteries simultaneously. The LCD display clearly shows the charging status. If you need a reliable and convenient charging solution, this is the perfect option. What people say. The 3 slots are very handy. Mirrorless cameras are power-hungry beasts. It charges my LP-E6 that I use for my EOS R and my 6D. It's rad that it charges 3 batteries once, saving me time when I need them ready for a shoot. The LCD display is a nice touch because it shows the charging status, so I always know when my batteries are fully charged. I really can't stress enough how awesome it is that it uses USB-C to get its power, allowing me to take this everywhere and never be without charged batteries. The fact of being able to charge 3 batteries at the same time is super practical, especially before a shooting or a busy day. The LCD screen is clear, you can immediately see where each battery is, without having to guess. The charge is fast, the charger does not heat up and the USB-C cable allows it to be used everywhere, power bank, car, wall outlet. The product is light, compact, and easily slips into a camera bag. Number 1. Sony a7 III ILCE7M3B full-frame mirrorless camera. This camera boasts an advanced 24.2 MP BSI full-frame image sensor. It offers a fast 1.8x readout speed, ensuring you capture every moment with exceptional clarity and detail. With an ISO range from 50 to 204,800 and a 15-stop dynamic range, this camera excels in various lighting conditions. It also supports 14-bit uncompressed RAW format for maximum image quality. Featuring 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points, it covers 93% of the image area. This ensures quick and precise focus, even when tracking moving subjects. Capture up to 10 frames per second with silent or mechanical shutter and AEAF tracking. The battery can last for approximately 610 shots with the viewfinder or 710 shots with the LCD monitor. It is compatible with Sony E-mount lenses and can connect to smartphones via Bluetooth. It supports Android 5.0 or later and iOS devices with Bluetooth 4.0 or later. The package includes a rechargeable battery, AC adapter, shoulder strap, body cap, accessory shoe cap, eyepiece cup, and a micro USB cable. Everything you need to get started. What we like. This camera features a 24.2 MP full-frame sensor for excellent image quality. It offers up to 10 frames per second continuous shooting with fast autofocus. If you are looking for a versatile camera that excels in both stills and video, it's a great choice. What people say. The autofocus is incredibly fast and accurate, especially for tracking moving subjects. The in-body image stabilization is a game-changer, allowing for sharp handheld shots even at slower shutter speeds. The electronic viewfinder is bright and clear, making it easy to see the image even in bright sunlight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.